In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if someone has booked a meeting on Calendly. Whether you're managing a packed schedule or simply want to be sure your next appointment is confirmed, knowing how to verify your bookings is crucial. Let's walk through this simple process step by step, so you'll be able to easily access your appointments whenever you need. First, let's start by logging into your Calendly account. If you haven't opened the app yet, go ahead and do so now. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll notice an array of features designed to help keep your calendar organized. Our focus today will be on checking your scheduled meetings, specifically those that might have been booked by someone else using your link. On the left-hand side of your screen, you should see a menu with several options. Among them is a button labeled Meetings. Click on this to proceed. This action will direct you to a page dedicated entirely to your meetings, providing a clear overview of what's on your calendar. Next, direct your attention to the tabs displayed on the top of this page. Here, you'll find two main sections you can navigate: the Upcoming tab and the Past tab. For the purpose of checking if someone has booked a meeting with you, you'll want to focus on the Upcoming tab. Click on it to see a detailed list of all upcoming meetings that have been scheduled through Calendly. This section will provide all necessary details you might need about each booking. You'll see the meeting's date and time, the name of the person who booked it, and often additional information like their email address or the meeting subject if these were included during the booking process. By reviewing this list, you can promptly confirm whether or not someone has secured a spot in your schedule. Additionally, Calendly typically sends email notifications when a new booking is made. So, if you prefer to have these confirmations outside of the app itself, make sure your notification settings are adjusted to suit your preferences. This can be especially useful if you manage a high volume of appointments and want immediate alerts. And that's it. You now know the basic steps to verify any booked meetings on Calendly. It's a straightforward process that ensures you're always in the loop regarding your upcoming engagements. With this knowledge, you can efficiently prepare for your meetings and avoid any potential scheduling mishaps. Remember, keeping track of your appointments doesn't have to be daunting. With tools like Calendly, managing your time can be both simple and effective. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore Calendly's support resources for more detailed guidance. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.